Hey everybody, it's Vince and greetings from isolation. I just wanted to show you what I got in my Hungryroot box this week. I've got the large size box and it's enough to get me through the whole week with all my food delivered to the door. During this quarantine time, it's so important that I can have my groceries delivered because I don't have to go to the store and they're all healthy options. I'm so thankful that I have Hungryroot at this time. If you've never tried Hungryroot before, you can get $25 off your first 2 orders with coupon code 25OFFVINCE at checkout. So that's a total savings of $50 off. And if you have tried it before and you've canceled, come back and try it again during this quarantine time with 20% off your first 2 orders back on. Just use the link below to reinstate your account and you can get started right away. Alright, so here's what I got in my box this week. First of all your recipes and ingredient lists will be in here. This week I did not get any recipes. I just ordered item by item for what I needed in my pantry and my fridge. So I got some more of these organic tortillas, yellow corn. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit obsessed with these. This is the Base Culture Almond Butter Brownie, and it's paleo. There's a look at the ingredients there. These are so good. This is a new one. I haven't tried these before. The Cauliflower Crackers. Looks like they're like Cheez-Its maybe, made with cauliflower. I got 2 of the Rainbow Veggie Mix, and this week I made a Kale Caesar with these. This is really good salad mix. Lots of carrots. Got some purple cabbage in there, and of course the chopped kale. In my last video, I used these Outer Aisle Plant Power Sandwich Thins. They're made with cauliflower, and they're not vegan, they have egg in them. But these toast up in the oven really nice, and in the last video I made some wraps with these, so you can check that out. Chopped romaine lettuce, got some trimmed green beans. One of my new favorites, the sweet baby broccoli. This is good cooked or raw. It's so good. I've got 2 of these Tessemae's honey poppy seed dressings. This is a treat here. This is rice ramen. It's made with organic rice. This is the Kite Hill Spinach Ravioli, and it's made with almond milk, so it is vegan if you're interested in that. But that looks really good. Could definitely use any of the Hungryroot sauces like the tomato superfood or the kale pesto. This is the house dressing, and it is like a honey Dijon type salad dressing, but it's really good on any kind of veggies or meats. The chicken quinoa kale soup, and this one's ready to go, so you just have to heat and eat. Broccoli rice. Spicy refried red beans. I like these a lot. And lastly, I got 2 packages of the organic grass-fed beef meatballs, and these are still frozen solid because they were in the bottom of the package. These have a lot of really good flavor. So there you have it, everything I got in my Hungryroot box for this week. It is all good stuff. Got my fresh veggies, got some organic meatballs, got some really good stuff going on here. So this is going to help get me through the week and save me from going to the store. Once again, if you're interested in trying Hungryroot, take $25 off your first 2 orders with coupon code 25OFFVINCE at checkout. And if you have used it before and canceled, why not come back, give it a try. Look at all these amazing new products that they are offering to you guys. So come back, use the link below to reinstate your account and get started today. Have your healthy, fresh food delivered right to your door and in your fridge. Take care, everybody. Be safe. Stay home.